How to delete all my Facebook messages in a click. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, unfortunately, this process of deleting all Facebook messages in a click is not possible. You have to either go to individual messages and delete it or not. If not, then you can just go to the settings and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps over here. And as you tap on manage apps, all you have to do is search for the Messenger application. So search for Messenger over here. As you search for it, when the app pops up, just tap on the Messenger application and you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So just tap on clear data option. As you tap on clear data, you can clear the cache, and if possible, you can delete all data over here by tapping on clear all data. And after clearing all data, your messages will be gone. And if you want to remove some data from Facebook as well, you can search for Facebook and then clear the data over here as well. So that's how you delete all Facebook messages over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.